So we're gonna start off by looking at some hobby drones here. These all come in at a lower price point, and the controls are a little bit more bare bones, which means when one of these comes crashing into the concrete in front of your house or sailing off into the horizon never to be seen again, as we've unfortunately experienced firsthand, you don't necessarily feel as bad because you know that these are sort of training drones in a sense. The very basic control mechanisms are great if you're just learning because it really gives you a sense of the fundamentals of flying. Because the hobby drones tend to be a little lighter weight, they're a little less stable in higher wind environments. If you learn to master flying these drones, you're gonna feel that much more comfortable when you decide to make the jump to a higher end model. You're gonna be that much better at flying them as well. So we have two models right here. This is the Holystone Predator. This model comes in at around $40. This is the Holystone Quadcopter, and this one comes in at around $100. Camera functionality is going to be pretty minimal on both of these. The Holystone Quadcopter does have a camera on it. The Predator doesn't have a camera on it at all. So these are great drones to just get started out, to train, to practice with. Both drones that won't hurt your wallet too much.